No, just like that. It just works. I'm here changing settings and shit. It just turns on. Dude, I'm so confused sometimes with how this works. There it is. Okay, hey guys. Man, this throws me for a loop sometimes. Like I actually don't know when it's like just working and when it's not. But hey guys, how's it going? I'm so happy to say that we're in a really good spot right now where I'm just implementing the effects now. Oh, it's been a hot minute. Ooh, wait, I should probably like start putting my burrito in. Okay, I'll do that. So yeah, guys, so let me kind of give you an update with how things are happening. Number one, as you can probably tell, I got a new mic. This one is pretty cool, I would say. Um, yeah, it's pretty epic. I get to like talk. And also it's super crisp. So the problem was that I actually ended up ordering another mic, dude. And lo and behold, like when I had that mic, I recorded I recorded a video twice because I didn't like the audio from the first recording, but I also didn't like the audio from the second recording. So I started wondering, okay, at this point, is it a me problem or is it a mic problem? So I ended up returning the mic. The mic didn't end up kind of working with how I wanted to. So I ended up getting this mic. And I'm not gonna lie, I recorded a video on my other channel. Shoutouts to Brandsmart UK Games. You can find it on YouTube. And dude, the audio was great. I used my iPhone for that pretty much too. So I recorded myself with the iPhone. I used the mic for the audio, and then I even edited it all on my iPhone using CapCut. I was like, fuck this. Like, I know it's possible. I'm just going to do it. And it worked out. And I'll be honest, I love the results of these mics. I might keep them. Um, but yeah, dude, everything's been pretty chill. Uh, I'm gonna be I'm gonna be continuing to work. So yesterday morning, I pretty much implemented mostly the act of almost getting the effects going. So what I mean by that is that in global data now, the rare marbles will have a time per effect, which is going to be pretty much, hey, is this effect on drop? Is this effect on game end? Or is this effect on game start, right? Because those are the three times that I would check for an effect. So with that being said, I then set an effect and I put a function in here that'll run every time the function works. So I don't know if this function will work because I'm not familiar with how GDScript deals with one-liners pertaining to if statements because just of the nature of this language, because it is a tab-based language like Python, where tabs are very important and indents are. Indents are kind of like what dictates what's going to go and what's not. So right now, I'm kind of like in a situation where, just due to the nature of this, I have a one-liner, and I need to figure out if this works or not. So let's see. So the last thing I checked, or I was doing was check for effect state right here. No. Drop marble state? No. I'll pause. Where did I make these changes yesterday? Oh yeah, right here. So one of the things I wanted to make sure of is that I got to translate all the instances of every time I use instantiated marble uh, to accept not only the look, but the effects that come with it. So for example, right here, I create an instantiated marble. Now, when you instantiate a marble, that doesn't instantly mean that the marble is made per se, right? Like I think there has to be like a couple things that happen. So number one, instantiation of a marble then goes into instantiated marble. Pretty much what it is that there's a marble scene that I have, and it creates a new version of that, right? Now, just because it creates a new version of that doesn't instantly mean that it works, then it has all the data of the previous marble. Because of how Godot kind of does its rigid bodies and stuff, it gets really iffy because I can't necessarily grab the same marble, move it to a different hole, and then just be done with it. I have to pretty much like put it up for like auction and sell it. So what I mean by that is I have to kind of delete it and then grab everything that makes that marble its marble, and then the new marble has all that data. It's kind of convoluted, I'm not gonna lie, and it's not the greatest solution, but just due to the nature of rigid bodies and Godot, it's kind of like a workaround I gotta deal with. So, with that being said, every time I create a new instantiation of a marble, the only thing that I've been able to, not that I've been able to, but that I've just done, is I would get the marble's texture, the real one, and actually make it the instantiated marble's texture. Because I do that, the new marble becomes that old marble. But now with effects and the dealing of scores are now in play, I have to go in and I have to fucking make sure that this shit is reacting the way I'm thinking of. So that is going to be what I'm going to do today. I'm just going to pretty much just going to focus on every time I instantiate a marble in the code. I'm going to also, with changing the look, I'm going to update the effects and update the score. All right, let's do this. So first things first, let's start here. So right now, the first thing is changing the look. So I'm going to instantiate marble dot score equals marbles array dot score. So that's already the first one, and instantiated marble dot effect equals marbles I effect. Now, I don't know how this is going to work in terms of it being a shallow copy, because I'm going to be removing them soon. So this is going to be a question for that, but pretty much this is it. Okay, so it has to be after, let's do the after add marbles, and then I'm gonna do this one right here, this one right here, and this one right here. Okay. So this one also happens here. So I'm going to, yo, I've been listening to Dance Gavin Dance's new album so much. I really love it. I'm gonna be honest. At first, I was kind of like, I don't know if this album's for me. I'm gonna be real. I had a really great first impression of Animal Surgery, which is the first song on the album. I loved it a lot, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I should probably check if this is. The effects are empty. Oh, fuck. That's another thing, too. So, another thing that I gotta worry about is that there's gonna be time for effect. So, I gotta make sure this is actually in the marble GD. It is. Time for effect. Okay. But yeah, if there's one album that I recommend you guys, like, kind of listen to, I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. I think I'm not gonna make it, you know. Dude, wait. Okay. I gotta do this right, or I'm gonna trick myself. So I'm gonna do time for effect, but keep it lowercase, just because I have it lowercase in. I have a lowercase in the other one, bro, and in the global data, so I don't want to start tricking and mixing up stuff. But yeah, right now, so the album is like 11 songs, and Animal Surgery is my favorite, I think. Obviously, All the Way Down, a single, is insanely fire. I've grown a lot. Like, I've grown to love. I'm not gonna lie, I've grown to love every single song, except for maybe the last two songs. I don't know what it is about DGD, bro. Like, I feel like sometimes their last songs are not that good. Like, give me a sec. Like Pantheon, like Animal Surgery, right? Fire. Midnight McGuffey's fire, it grew on me. Robot with Human Hair. It's actually pretty great. Grew on me. Conquer Worm. This song still needs to grow a little bit on me. I'm kind of feeling the fucking vibes and shit sometimes, but it's not like a favorite. Trapdoor. Chef's Kiss. Strawberry's Daughter. Really fucking great actually. This song is they were on the fucking they were high on the fucking Musa. Look at that. Look at those views comparably. That's kind of crazy. It's a single. It's a good song. Nothing crazy, but it's a good song. All the Way Down. I think this is their. I think this and Animal Surgery are their best songs with Andrew. Like full stop. Like and when I say best, I mean I didn't need to go through the whole process of like getting used to it more so. It actually was just great. And I appreciated it, honestly. All the Way Down is super fucking great. A Shoulder to Cry On. This song is special because just like in the new 21 Pilots Breach album, we have A Shoulder, or All the Way Down? Yeah, oh, sorry. A Shoulder to Cry On. Breach had Jokels, and A Shoulder to Cry On had, oh my God, it also had Jokels. Like, funny enough. So it was the John's first recorded clean vocals. So, fun fact, it's the last voice to you here. It's fucking awesome. Peak of Superstition has grown on me a lot. I was listening to it a lot at home, or during work. Stickler, shit is so fire. The music video is a banger. Everything is fucking great. Yikes and the Sending Chaos, they're okay. They're okay. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. They're okay. Like and that's okay. That's okay. They can be okay. But yeah, they're okay. All right, guys. So we just finished this in the setup board state. It's pretty important. The passenger, random marble time for effect. Okay, cool. So there might be a chance that this is no. This is fine. It could be no. I don't mind. My next one. Yo, listen up. So there's a couple places I start doing this. There's check for effect state. Marble. Right here. Place marble, change look, apply central, add marbles to the right hole. So I'm gonna do it after the hole. What's the right hole? Change look. This is crazy. Why do I do it like this? This is stupid. Okay. Yeah, add a marble. I'm okay with adding the marble. I'm okay with doing that and then doing this. So this is also going to be over here. So I want to do it here. Add architecture. Perfect. Okay, what happens here? Marble to be this. Why is there a current hole marbles here, but then there's no current holes here? Oh. Yeah, what the fuck? Oh, right. No, I don't get it. Whatever, capture. Capturing is working. I'm not going to think twice about it. Yeah, because there's like instantiated marble. Add the marbles, I guess. I don't know. Global data is moving happening. Okay, so there's another instantiation here. It's the same idea. So I'm just going to put here. Boom, time for effect. I'm just going to go here. Boom, time for effect. Okay, that is setup board done. Check for effects is done. Current turn state, nothing here. Pick up marble state. Okay, there's no instantiation that I do here. We're chilling. Next hole state. This one definitely has. Oh. I guess it doesn't. Ooh, I just got a little bit acid there. You know how it is. What's it called? Next hole state. Okay, this one definitely I gotta fix. Score, text, and oh shit. Have I been putting the text? Fuck. The boy needs the text. The boy needs the text. And then it's gonna be Marbles Eye. Text. Fire. Okay. Okay. What's up, bud? Oh. Yeah, because Marbles Eye. Yeah, Marbles Eye is happening later. Okay, so I'll set a board. Let's go for check for effects. Same thing. Oh my god. Same thing. I'm just looking for the score. Oh my god. I'm just looking for the score. Did I make it so when you update the Marvel's text? When you update the Marvel's text, okay, it doesn't. I need to update tooltip. No, I don't. I think the tooltip comes from the mouse, so we're good. Okay. I got an attitude. I'm gonna leave. I got an attitude. It's not because of me. All right, so I gotta do this. So I gotta do it here. Stop that, no, stop that, brain. Check for effects, current turn state, nothing here. Pick a marble state. Okay, and then next whole state. Okay, drop marble state. Yeah. This is like the instantiation of instantiations. No shot. So I need one more, which is the effect one. So okay, right here. Cool. That's it. That is it for drop marble. So let's go to game over state. Price text. So why is there two texts? Oh, okay. This is fine. Cool. Where is this again? This is game over state. As long as I'm not instantiated, I'm fine. This is chill 2. Shop state doesn't have anything. Win state, lose state doesn't have anything. Yeah, tune state doesn't have anything. Okay. Yeah, now it should have an effect. Yo, where's my FPS? Ooh. Assignment of property or key time for effect with value of nil. Not bad. Not bad. That doesn't exist. Invalid access to property or key texts. Texts. Fucking. Oh my god, does that mean I put text on everything though? Because I think that was the one I copied it off. No, I didn't. Okay, which one? Invalid access of property effect. And a base object of type dictionary. What the fuck do you mean, man? Invalid access of property or effect of a key effect on a base object of type dictionary. I'm guessing. What do you mean by that? I'm guessing it's the random marble. So that means. Oh. Because it doesn't seem to exist one. So if there isn't one, if there is one, then just do it. If not, empty. I might have to do that for all of them. But let's see if this works. Oh. Shit. God damn it. Keep forgetting. I know what I must do. That's why, but I'm just being lazy. You don't stop that, you don't start your brain. Stop it. If I got an attitude, passenger, more for me. Expected after diction. Fuck. My bad. My bad. My bad. My bad. My bad. You know. My bad. My bad. Hey. Simple mistake. My bad. It's how it be. Okay. Put it here. Put it here. Yes. All right. Let's try this out. So this begs the question: does Marble has time for a fact? Oh shit! But not the lowercase one. Shit! Did I set that up wrong then? Oh my god! I did. Okay. Let's do this all again. Time for a fact. Time for a fact. Time for a fact. Time for a fact, a fact, a fact, a fact, a fact. Time for a fact, a fact, a fact, a fact, a fact. Time for a fact, a fact, a fact, a fact, a fact. Wait. Drop normal state, get over state. Okay, good. State, etc., etc. All right, let's try it out. Why does my game lag sometimes? Dude, look at this FPS. It's 60. Why is it 60? What the fuck just happened? Property key time for fact. Oh, oops. Oh my god, what is wrong? See what I mean? Why is the game running at 60, bro? Why does the game run at 60 sometimes? Why does it run at 360 sometimes? Let's consult the scrolls. Hey, man. Who asked you? Okay. My food is ready. Yay. All right. Door runs game at 60 sometimes, and 360 sometimes. How do I make it consistently run at my frame rate? project settings, display, window. Disable. Why would disabling that work though? I'm running at, oh my God, it worked. Holy shit, it worked beautifully. 3,000 frames per second. Dude, I'm fucking, yo, I got a supercomputer. This game's running crazy. This game's running beautifully. Holy shit. That's what I'm talking about, man. I don't know what happened to, I don't know why it's been 60 frames this whole time. I was like, man, it's just lagging, bro. Ooh, get fucked. Ooh, I got another one. Into this. Into this. Into this. Damn. Into this. Yes, sir. Yo. Dude, this is running perfectly, bro. This is what I'm talking about. All right. This. Okay. God dang it, I missed one. Time for effect. Oh, this is for the first one. Why didn't I? How come I didn't see that? I must be fried, bro. I must be fried. Can I continue? I can. I can continue, but it didn't do anything. Dude, this is beautiful. Fuck VSync. Holy shit. This is what my game's all about. All right. What the fuck? I'm type Sprite. Oh shit. Oh my god, okay. What the heck? Alright, so I'm looking at fuck, bro. What's happening here? Instantiated marble, instantiated marble, instantiated marble, place marble in the right hole. Get child, get child. Marble, get child, get child. That gets me Sprite. So what I actually want in this specific case is marble. It's just a marble. Hey, yo, I'm getting fucking lost. There we go. Yeah, so I don't need to get the child. I just get the marble. What's M? I'm a passenger. I'm a passenger. I'm gonna figure out how to put music so I can hear some fucking beats while I work on this. But for now, it's just marbles, man. It's just marbles. This is fine. Texture's fine. This marble's still a marble. When it's placed in there, it should have all of the values that it needs. Alright, let's do this shit. Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my god, I'm about to rob this guy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, this will be better, because then I get to buff this one. Dude, my FPS is going crazy. My FPS is going nuts, bro. You wish you had this FPS type shit, you know what I'm saying? 1, 2, 3. I'll do this one. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I'll take the 2. Put a 3 in here. Making moves, making the biggest moves. Setting up for the next round. And I win. Okay. Damn it, I didn't get the banana. Breakpoint. This breakpoint was to check for... Bro, I don't have text here. Oh my god, bro. Dude, am I trolling myself, bro? Is this what's happening? Am I just trolling? I got text literally everywhere, but there. Okay, that's okay. It's okay. I have taken you. Do I have a 9? Oh, that's crazy. What the fuck am I gonna do with a 9? Okay, this is fine. Take this. Oh my god, ticket's 5. Pure robbery. Take this. What an asshole, dude. Does this guy wake up just to fuck with me, bro? I created you. Why do you fucking rob me? Yo, the audacity on this fucking thing, man. Okay, so before I even buy that, do I actually get 3 score from that? I don't remember. I do. I get a score of 3. Fuck it, I'll buy it. Oh, okay, I was like, did my game just fucking break forever? So I don't know where blue. Yeah, dang it. Okay, so. You might access the property at key time for effect on a base object of type previously. All right. Okay, when the game ends, I have to empty. I have to empty the last dropped marble. So this is going to be in game over. And in game over, I have to empty it. So I do global data dot last dropped marble equals null. So here's the thing. Here, $12. Oh my god. There is a low-key non-zero chance that like they get 1 empty here, 1 here, and I get 12 here. Like that is actually a thing, and you actually just insta lose. Which I find extremely funny, but also, yeah, we just get cooked. Do not move this one. Yes. Thank you, kind stranger. Okay. Okay. Yo, who needs bitrate, bro, when you got FPS, bro? Oh my god, he takes my 2, but I take everything else here. Yes. I got $10. Curses. Okay, so I think it's working. I think it's working. 1, 2, 3. Take this one. Okay. He takes this one. If you wanted to. Okay, go again. But I take this one and I take all of this for myself. It's $20. 20 buckaroonies, bro. Get fucked. Get fucked. Oh, banana. 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 Do I get the blue one? Do I get the blue one? No blue. Okay. I got 2 bananas here. Okay, let's see if it works. Okay. I'm going to need to leave a breakpoint. Gotta see if this works. Guys, what am I doing again? It was check for fuck state. I'm already here. So if dropped, and global data, how do I call this? I forgot how to call this. No one stop this. Effect, and then I do a dot call. What's the name of the fucking function? It'll be just call it effect, bro. I think this is a little bit too complicated for me to just fucking deal with it. Effect. Oh, it's a string. Let's go with the 8. Man, there's a non-zero chance that this will just work, and I'm very excited. I'm very, very excited because just the thought of a banana making one of them slip is going to be fucking hilarious. Which makes it one less point for us. And this one. All right, cool. Dude, no banana? Oh my God. Be so for real. Be so for real, bro. Whatever, 6. So much here. All right, backloaded the fuck out of this. I gotta make some magic. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, let's go. I captured. Nice. Thank you. Yes. This one. This is mine. It may look like it's on their side, but it's not. Yo, you're a different breed of motherfucker, bro. Holy shit. Do not pick this one. Do not pick this one. Do not pick. Oh, wait. It doesn't matter. Do I win? I lost. There's so many. Fuck. Okay, whatever. Okay. Okay. And that's it. And I get all that. Yeah, $26, bro. Captures, 21. Oh my God. Please give me what I want. Please give me what I want. Please give me what I want. Yo, luck is not on my side today, bro. Not gonna cap and gown. I mean, it probably is. It's just like the effects are not on fucking par right now. I'm like getting cooked. Oh, get fucked though. Okay. All right. Yes. 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 Yes, dude. I have 2 here. I can't. Did I? Oh no, it was 1, bro, because of the fucking. Oh my God. You know what? Take it. I don't give a shit. Take it. Take it. Take it. Take it. Actually, don't take it. Oh wait, I can take you, bro. I'm fried. I'm here like you could take it. I have $42, bro. Holy shit, I got so much score. Yo, unlucky. Unlucky, bro. I haven't got any rares. Nah, this is crazy. Unlucky. Let's go to 11. We can get some shit on him. Okay, so this one's dark. It's been a steady game. Ooh, but he doesn't. Yes. Oh my god, I just robbed him. Dude, I just robbed him in cold blood, bro. Oh my god, I just robbed him again. Into a 3. Oh my god, computer. Computer, I taught you better than that, man. I taught you better than to give me score like that. Look at the FPS. 3,000. That's crazy. Doom, doom, doom. $67, bro. What is this score? Dude, the score's fucking crazy. Why is the score so crazy? Banana. Extra score. I wonder why the score is so crazy. Okay, let's try it. Okay. Oh, yeah, I forgot to like. Fuck, bro. I'm like in suspense. I want this shit to work. Okay. No, that didn't work. Damn it. Oh my god. That's crazy, man. That was the effect, man. That was the effect, bro. Whatever, dude. Whatever. What the fucking ever. How do I have 2 here? What? I only had 2 there? Yo, my math is so off because of them just fucking being on each other. I have 19. Fuck, we ball. Yeah, that's crazy. That looks so much. 2. And 2. Fuck it. Yo, you're evil, computer. You're evil, bro. Dastardly evil. That's 4, 11, 2. Captured? Dude, what the fuck? Okay, whatever. Boom, I captured you. Yo, it's a close ass game. Why is this a close ass game, bro? Why is this computer so crazy? Boom. Okay. Into this. Into this. Please pick the big one. Oh my god. He has to pick the big one. I won. Oh, but he captured. Woohoo! 58, bro. Scores are so confusing. Okay. Please give me what I want. 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 Okay, I got a 6er. Fuck me, bro. Holy shit. Am I going crazy? Am I going crazy? Am I going insane? Why the fuck does it not work? Like, what? Like, this has it. Am I going crazy? On drop. Time for a fact. Time for a fact. Dude, yeah, this is gonna keep going. This is gonna suck. This is gonna suck. Um, Dun, 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 dun. You will die, but now your life is free. Take pride, worship, and die. And some water. Why is it not working? I should just make it common. Just make it the only thing that's common. Actually, God, such a genius. Genius ideas right now. I make this one the only one that is common. Everybody else come through that. We will try again. Oh. Stay alive. See what I mean though? What? Am I crazy in thinking that it shouldn't fucking be hitting? Hello? Like. Okay. But it doesn't, so it's fine. F12, F12, F12. Shit. That should hit. That one should be it. Okay, so let's go here. This is last drop the marble. Effect and time for effect. Oh my god. And the text is not even right. What the fuck, dude? Why? Score is wrong. Everything's wrong. Everything good is wrong. Like, why are you wrong, dude? Why are you wrong? This is straight from setup. This has to be from setup. Score is wrong. Effect is wrong. Effect is null. Is it that thing I said where like it needs to make a deep copy? Okay, bro. I don't fuck with that. Dude, yeah, none of it, bro. Why? Dude, this was correct. I need you to stop. Oh my god. Yo, I be making like G flags and shit just like randomly. Wait, why the hell is this fucking not working, bro? Holy shit, this shit's glitching like hella. Dude, what? Wait, what the fuck? Oh my god, that's so dumb. That's so dumb. That's so dumb. That's so dumb. Oh my god, so dumb. Okay, mixed index. I don't know what the hell to tell you, man. I don't know what to tell you. All right, it's a good Friday. My effects keep getting overridden. That is the only thing that I'm kind of noticing. So, what seems to happen is that whenever last drop the marble is set, which I should probably check where that is. Probably in drop marble state. Okay. So for some reason, it gets to here. Doesn't keep all the stuff. Let's kind of see why. Now the night is going to. Saturated marble, you have null. You're null already. Bro, by the time you're here, you're null already. Why are you null, dude? Does this mean nothing to you? You can drop a marble. Oh my god, no, let me restart again. Okay, so dropping marble. Dude, dropping marble. Okay, set up. Where does marbles to be dropped? We have to go all the way up. Because by the time it's already here, it's already failing. So that's wrong, you know? Of course, so if dropping marble already has no everything, then shit, marble's gonna go in there and be like, yeah, fuck this shit. Meaning that dropping marble, meaning that when it goes into marbles to be dropped, it already gets cooked. So let's do a search for marbles to be dropped. Okay. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm going to update this fucking tool. I'm gonna update it. This might break some stuff, but I'm not gonna lie. This deep copying bullshit is so fucking annoying. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you. But I'm not having fun with this, having to deal with this shit. Because quite frankly, it's really obnoxious. So no, I'm just gonna do it. Set up the standard Windows for 4.5, and I'm gonna use that new function that they added because that's literally what I need to do with it. And then who knows, maybe it'll fucking fix it. Who knows? Who knows? I don't know, but who knows? Yes, I'm okay. Feel away, feel away, feel away. I keep thinking the things you say. Okay, so I'm gonna close this. I'm in 4.5. Let me pin this bad boy. I'm gonna kill this. Grab it over here. I'm putting it over here. Let's go to Mancala. Warning, this project is opening it. We'll change it to yes, please. That's fine. Yes. We're in 4.5. Holy shit, we're in 4.5. Good though. Good though, 4.5 stable. Okay. Fuck yes, dude. Okay, we're fucking. What is this yellow? Whoa. Okay, it's already throwing me a loop with the colors. I'm not gonna lie. Damn it, that shit looks so nice. Fucking find it. What the fuck is it? What the hell is this shit? Okay, I'm just gonna. All the settings should be the same. Pause. Cop. What's happening here, bud? There you go. There should be a breakpoint. Yeah. Invalid score. Beautiful. Beautiful. Everything's breaking. Okay, so let's go to pick up marble. Right here where I duplicate. Duplicate. Look deep. Is it not? Let me double check. This is what you guys have to do. Every time there's an update, you're like, I need to figure this shit out or whatever. you gotta go down here and you gotta look for it. So the function that I'm looking for is actually right here. Yes, resource duplicate has a D parameter. So not sub-resource stored inside array dictionaries. The same thing happens with duplicate. So the new duplicate D method space class is not good. Yes. Okay. All right. Therefore, I'm doing it correctly. So I'm doing a deep copy here. Beautiful. I'm also doing it here. Beautiful. Anytime there's a duplicate, I will be now duplicate deeping. Let's see what happens. So is this weird? I think I know why. Because global data is not common marbles. So there we go. Okay, this is fine. This is fine. This is fine. It makes sense. Makes sense. In a rigid body, there is no whatever the fuck. There's no function. All right. All right. Okay, so let's. I don't think this is gonna help. Okay. Of type rigid body, 2D. Okay. Over. Okay, so marbles to be dropped. Hello. How you doing, bro? How you doing? Good morning. Happy Friday. Ah, feels good. Feels good. How you doing, bro? How's your sleep? All right, so marbles dropped. Current marbles now. Drop and drop. This is gonna be under the global data. Current marbles to be dropped. Ayo. Why is it just acting like it's like just a rigid body? There's values, man. There's values in this, man. There's values. There's like arrays and shit. What? It's just acting like it's nothing. Oh. Well, this is gonna be a tomorrow's problem. Yeah. Dude, I'm feeling it too, man. Not gonna lie, this week's been crazy with sleep. Okay, Google, stop. This week has been crazy with sleep. I sleep great, but I'm still kind of like, I think it's because I'm eating pretty not okay. If I was eating a little better, I think I'd feel better. But yeah, I gotta get my diet back in check. Dude, I actually have to dip. because I have to go to work and shit and get ready. Yo, I love you for it. Thank you so much for passing by, man. I really appreciate it. Um, I got a little bit good, a little bit bad this session, so I just gotta figure it out tomorrow. Thankfully, tomorrow's Saturday. I could just like relax and just work on it, get some good sleep. But hey, I appreciate you, man. Thanks so much. I love you. And to all those who passed, I appreciate y'all. And I'll talk to you guys